Karbi Autonomous Council pen MSC Barima Tumapan pension ke parong ningkan surhini la krisir kep la pen ingkoi dihina ningkana phan kuti pharo ke thomra ingkora hini so se atangka ke panong Second National Master Game kecepatan dun pen nongme ke wana tumaphan karchu Karbi Adorbara tum Langkaijan alampen Karbi Autonomous Council CM aphan kurang thu ke pajir Kardom Karbi Prime Talung pen elibilta than bang thare harmony be nen bil tang ton pen arjikta Karbi Autonomous Council pen ningkan surhini rakrisir kep lapen ingkoi dihina ningkan along MSC barima tumaphan pension ke PJ alam cheparai council budget along Karbi reasonim so aronga je aphan lak phokep Karbi lamet amaya phan lak ingkoi atangka panong pon MSC atum pining a budget ke rada budget pu hoksi budget ke deng angthek chepaklang dun renti
Karbi Autonomous Council Session hall along Therepo Pho Arni Lapen Therepo Trok Arni Kangni Autonomous Council Session along Ninkan Suri Hini Rakresir Kep Inkoi Dihina Ninkana Phan Kuti Pharo ke Thomra Inkoi Ra Hini Sose Atangka Panong Si Therepo Trok Arni Session along Chiton Sarpen Chiparai Pontanglo Maipu Mate Chairman Long Kitimung Chipahempu Session along Karbi Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang Abang Kavia Jok Alang Lilar EM Amor Singh Tisosi Council Budget ke denga Phadeng Pachunsi Pining Ningkan a budget ke Rara Phan Ali ke Wangji a budget lapen Karbi aphan Kaching Thur Araje Theglong Popus EM Tiso Ning Chipathedam Dihin Kimia budget along MSC Barimatum aphan pension ki PG aphan Sai ke dengke isi Phurkimo ke to Kicheng lo position along MSC atum ning jerinti Di uping maslai budget alam ke jaya long Karbi lamet amaya pan council pen dihin ke rapa ong nang ji position along ningje CM Tuliram Ronghang Guwahati along ke nangsot asai ke doa jok alang lilar Amor Singh Tiso pensi council budget session along ke denga phadeng pachunsi monsa mangbong dihin amai pajut ponlo
Second National Master Game Dehradun Uttarakhand along non head jong kecepatan ke padupon along Guwahati pen dongkamukam an nang lesi Kedeng lapen karchopon abirta pherang ke pen birta nang pali Labang so karchopon asai along West Karbi District Master Game amai pu dilip teron lapen konchut bang polling leng atum pen patipi pon sibai thalang so kacheleng krong adolong along an Karbi aphanong mekewan abang pu bang pia tumaphan chengpong si pen kangthum kardi asai padupon adun tu second National Master Game kecepatan dun kedo ana tumaphan dongkamukamalon kedo break jam asong DSA KSA Helanja jutangkiri thiptheng aterang DTC pen chenglok break jam atum pen ningkang samla pen ningkarong pen Karbi poho pen karchok pado West Karbi District Master Game Advisor Moses England lapen football coach manager Edison Teron veteran coach Anthony Bay lapen football team captain atum Mezen pen ke Japon thek lapen Karbi araje ke paklar pen nong me ke wan thek apon ke ong dum dongkamukam aradatu kachoro pipon
প্ৰথমবাৰ গৈছো বহুত ভাল লাগিছে তাত বহুত 21 ষ্টেট আমি তাতে লগ পালো তাত পাৰ্টিসিপেট কৰি বহুত ভাল লাগিছে আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ কাৰণে আৰু আমি অহম হৈ খেলিব গৈছিলো কিন্তু বিশেষকৈ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ কাৰণে আমি বহুত গৌৰৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছো
আৰু এই খেলৰ প্ৰতি আপুনি কেনে ধৰণে প্ৰস্তুত কৰিছিলে
প্ৰস্তুতি তেনেকে আগত
30 প্লাস গতিকে আমি বহুত কষ্টৰে ব্ৰঞ্জ মেডেলটো পাইছো কাৰণ যিকেইটা টিমৰ লগত আমি পৰিছো উত্তৰাখণ্ড লোকেল টিম তাৰপিছত ইয়াৰ লগত হিমাচল প্ৰদেশ তাৰপিছত ছত্তীশগড় তাতে মানে ৱেল প্ৰিপেয়াৰ্ড টিম আছিলে আৰু তাত মেক্সিমাম 30 প্লাছৰ ল'ৰাবিলাক ভাল খেলোৱা আগত নেশ্যনেল খেলা ল'ৰা তেনেকুৱা আছিলে কিন্তু আমি যিকেইজন কৈছোঁ আমি মানে কষ্ট কৰি মানে এই ব্ৰঞ্জৰ মেডেলটো আমি সক্ষম হৈছোঁ গতিকে
Langkaijan along le alam pen Karbi Adorbaratum Karbi Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang aphan kurwang thu ke pajir alam Card news along birta nang pale Karbi Anglong lapen Hojai district Japet Jahoy Langkaijan along le along Aron Repen long le kacherai lapen angtan pen kewang akhia phan kiplunga sai kidengke mesen lo pusi Karbi Adorbaratum ningje Langkaijan habar anchot kalisi Karbi Anglong nahokle Karbi Anglong along le Aron Repen kacherai asai Langno ke claim pulute council pen langding nang ne pota pachetak alu along Karbi Adorbar akonchun bang ningje nun malam sapor beritamu tanpa niksina
this is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests the returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the control unit. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief, and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society. Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nanya cusir ham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepakeng dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalam Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, kona lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada tim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kecengsi sopin so lapen soar lo pat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor, near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamu piputat bertabang wangtulo. Dipu Go Boys Higher Secondary School HS final year lapen wosu kecepate anathu aning kehang parpik abangpi. Sonam tibungpi arta cleaner cap therini phai pli arni kesu chelang bompen arong che voice therini phai truck arni mian ki pipon aberta card news along berta nangpale.
Difu Gita Sharam Rong Sampriya Rong Amekar Sunil Timung Pen Rebecca Teron Pia Supi Sonam Timungpi Men Keso Cholong Lokajok Difu Civil Hospital along Keso Kelangapan Ponlo Sitame Keso Ketan Par Pegajok Tere Ni Pai Pliarni Ada Bapor Molong Sopir Hepen Chio Nanglo Karlitang Sonam Timungpi Men Arong Kachewoya Jok Apia Po Akorte Injir Adonarap Rongrup Isi Pen Anparta School lapen wushu Charlie rapet ariso ejang lapen than banga tumanta alang lia por pepen arong kachewoya jok ningduk rintilo alang likar jong chom rengme chom rongso ke paraplong pameji aphan arnam hirjumya nutin abang phubang pita ke hang padu
Karbi Prime tamai la pasi kang tan panila dumi thangme kurwang thu.